Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Databricks using OAuth tokens, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Databricks using OAuth tokens, first, ensure you have the proper permissions and access to your Databricks workspace. Next, navigate to the Azure portal or your preferred cloud provider configuration page. Locate the section for your Databricks workspace. If you haven't already, create an OAuth application in your cloud provider. Once your application is created, note the client ID, client secret, and redirect URI. In your Databricks workspace, go to the User Settings. Under the Access Tokens tab, generate a new token if you haven't done so. Copy the generated token and keep it securely as you won't be able to see it again. Now, return to your OAuth application settings and configure the token. Set the redirect URI to point to your application's callback URL. With your application set up, proceed to set up OAuth 2.0 credentials in your coding environment. Use a library like OAuthLib or AuthLib in Python to handle the OAuth flow. Initiate the OAuth flow in your application using the authorization endpoint from your cloud provider. Request the appropriate scopes for accessing Databricks resources. Once you receive the authorization code, exchange it for access and refresh tokens. Store these tokens securely within your application. Now you can make authenticated requests to the Databricks API using the access token. Include the access token in the authorization header of your requests. Should the access token expire, use the refresh token to obtain a new access token without requiring user interaction. By following these steps, you will successfully authenticate with Databricks using OAuth tokens. Make sure to regularly review your application settings and token management for optimal security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.